Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be washing and styling my hair using the Main Choices Do It For The Culture line. So I'm starting off with the Powerful Shampoo, which gently eliminates toxins and purifies the hair and scalp, removes buildup to enhance vibrancy and volume, nutrient-rich formula, strengthens and improves definition, antioxidants helps to soothe and nourish the scalp, and it promotes a natural and healthy shine. Next up is the Magnificent Miracle Mask, which is intensely nourishing, purifying, and restorative. It is nutrient-rich formula, improves strength, significantly strengthens, softens, and moisturizes the hair. It promotes a lasting, natural, healthy shine and improves elasticity and overall vitality. Now that my hair is freshly washed, it's time for styling, and I am first going in with the triple layer leave-in conditioner, which is nutrient-rich formula, strengthens and conditions strands, delivers maximum moisture and protection, helps to minimize knots and tangles, seals and smooths cuticles to boost shine, leaves hair soft, silky, and frizz-free, and it fortifies the hair to improve elasticity and hair integrity. Next up, I'm going in with the Sophisticated Sheen Spray, which imparts a glossy shine and radiance. Antioxidants strengthen and nourish the hair, revitalizes, protects, and seals in moistures, calms and frizzes, tames, and flyaways, and it is lightweight and a non-greasy formula. And last but not least, the star of the show, the Bold Buttery Gel, which is rich, light, buttery texture, which provides a soft hold and shine. It supplies wash and goes, twist outs, and braid outs with the perfect balance of definition and volume. It's a nutrient-rich formula which improves definition, softens, moisturizes, and tames frizz, promotes a natural, healthy shine, fortifies the hair to improve elasticity, and is gentle enough to use daily. Today I'm going to be styling my hair doing a wash and go. So I'm going to be repeating these steps throughout my hair, adding some warm water, the leave-in conditioner, oil, and then the gel. Let me know in the comments below what your go-to wash and go method is. Do you do the raking method, praying hands method, shingling method? Which method works best for you? So I am on to the last section, applying my gel, and I apply the gel to the roots first, and then I'm using the raking method to make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair. So now that I have the product all applied, I'm just going to shake my hair just to awaken my curls and get the definition popping. And here are my final results. Definitely loving the look. My hair is moisturized, my curls are defined, my curls are shining. Yes, do it for the culture line. Definitely did it for me. Loving this line. If you have not used this line, you should definitely check it out. Again, thanks for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.